All right, I got a new boat, and well, it's new to me. And anyway, it's got the Bimini top, and I haven't even opened it up yet, only just inspected when I bought it. But anyway, on the drive home, I left it up in travel mode, or travel position, whatever, like the dealer told me to, and said everything would be fine, but evidently it wasn't, and I ended up bending the tube ends, you know, the eye ends or whatever they're called. Anyway, so it's kind of like a swivel. They don't unscrew. That one broke and that one broke, and I'm just going to replace all four of them with these guys right here. They're the right size. And anyway, I've got a hacksaw. I couldn't really find anything online, so that's why I'm making this video. I couldn't find a reliable way to replace these. I guess it's pretty common though, but there was just, I could find web pages about it and posts about it, but never anybody with a video. So anyway, I took my hacksaw and started cutting this guy out. And when it started out, I mean, it looked just like this. And that's the way it is. And there's a little crease, and that's what keeps this from popping out, but allows it to spin because the crease goes down in between this gap. And again, I'm a novice, so y'all probably have better words for all this. So what I'm doing is I'm going to cut it just above this, above that little crease line, and then I can just pop that out. Well, I started cutting on the crease with a hacksaw, and it's a lot of work, and I was like, man, there's got to be an easier way. So I looked in my toolbox and I found my old swage lock pipe cutter, and boy, that is making all the difference. Because then ignore this in two pieces. I'm not going to do this anymore. Like I said, the first time I cut it on the crease just to help me guide my hacksaw. And then after I got about halfway done with it and thinking, man, I've got to do this 4 times, there's got to be a better way, I found my pipe cutter, and then I cut the rest of it off right here, and then I moved up a 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, and just to get a nice clean edge with my pipe cutter. And then now I'm going to measure it just to make sure that everything is going to be the same on both sides, and it's pretty simple after that. I'm going to deburr, even though it doesn't really matter. I am going to deburr everything because the new ones aren't a swivel. The new ones will slide over and then screw on. And I'm not sure if I need to use an adhesive or not. I couldn't really find anything online. I'm not going to put an adhesive on there, but maybe in the future I will. But anyway, just wanted to show you all this video, and hopefully it'll help you out.